Hi, this is Joe with Joe Talks, and I'm here with my daughter Avery, and we are going to do an unboxing of an electric spin scrubber that is sold on Amazon. And this is sold on the JOCOSA store platform. That's JOCOSA. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And so we're going to go through the unboxing here. Okay, why don't you go ahead and unbox it. So this is how it was received on the front porch. I'll go ahead and open it. And this is how it comes. So there's another box inside. Yep, another box in a box. So this is probably what it would look like if you were to buy this at the department store. So you want to go ahead and open that?
Kind of hard to open, I break it up.
Yeah. So inside we have some instructions and all of the parts and pieces here. So we have various different scrubbers. So just a little bit about this product. It is a motorized scrubber that you can use to clean your shower or your bathtub or any other thing that you might want to clean.
And you don't want to press down hard on it or else it will stop spinning. But you don't want to not put pressure down on it or else it'll just go everywhere.
Yep.
You kind of want to put pressure on it but not too much pressure.
Okay. So here are all of the bits and pieces. Looks like we've got an extension rod. It slips on here. And then we have the motorized head that goes on here.
And when you place...
And they just simply slide in and they click in place. And then you can change the angle.
Then you place one on. Okay, can I see it?
Mm-hmm. And while she's doing that, I'll show it does come with a charger. So it has an internal battery that you will have to charge up ahead of time before you use it. Okay.
Then you press this button right here.
And there you go. So from there you can clean.
This one's to clean the, in between things. I'm pretty sure this one's to clean the floors. And this one's to, do both cleaning the floors and the walls.
So it looks like it has a buffer pad, so if you wanted to wax your car, I don't know that I would wax my car with that, but if you wanted to, you could. And then it does come with a holder. It looks like you can slip over a shower rod or something of that nature.
And you have two sponges. This one that's kind of more rough. And this one that's like an actual sponge. And this, it's like Velcro. And you just place it on and it'll spin.
Alright. And that's it. There you go. Okay. As always, if you found this video helpful, help us out and subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and all of that good stuff. And any questions or comments or suggestions for future product reviews or unboxings, let us know. Alright. Thank you.